Today I'm going to show you how to change the batteries in your Vizio Smart TV remote. The tools you may need is a flathead screwdriver, and you'll also need 2 AAA batteries. If you don't have any, I'll have some linked in the description below. You can purchase them there. First, we want to take the remote. We want to flip it on its back side here, and you can see there is a little diagram. Sometimes they're on there, sometimes they're not, but there is a little recessed part right here. So if you pull on this and pull it towards yourself, it'll uncover the back and it'll expose the 2 AAA batteries. Then you can use your fingernail or the screwdriver and pry out the old batteries. Once the old batteries are out, you can put the new ones in. Make sure the polarity is correct. And once you have that done, there are little hooks on the back plate cover. You want to align them with the hooks on here. So start on one end, push it forward, and then push the next ones in. It should pop in. You're good to go. If you thought this video was useful, please leave a thumbs up. Thank you.